According to a study released by the NC Wildlife Resource Commission, which is our governing body in North Carolina, they released a study in 2008. Trout fishing in the mountains of North Carolina contributes $174 million to our local economy. It has created about 1,900 jobs, and there's about $13 million a year contributed to both state and federal tax via the revenues created from trout fishing. So it's a much bigger industry than most people think of. Most people think of it as a small cottage industry, and it definitely has that feel, but it's, like I said, $174 million a year industry for the state of North Carolina.